After a couple of years of random road trips and activities in the truck, I decided I need to finally do something about my lack of storage in the back of the truck. I've had this overhead bin pretty much ever since I had it, this little shelf, but it just wasn't quite enough. There was the storage space that came standard with the elastic baskets, but they just didn't quite hold that much stuff. I could put a water jug in the back here, but I just couldn't stack anything, and it felt like there's just a lot of dead space. So I think it was 2 years ago when I had to take some time off work in December, I decided I was going to start working on this project. So I managed to at least get a cardboard cutout of kind of what I was thinking I could put in this space. And it kind of sort of gave me a good idea of what I could do with the space and kind of how much room I had available, how deep it could be, how tall it was going to be. So as to not interfere with other things, like when I'm putting my grid panels in here or when I'm sleeping in the truck, I didn't want to interfere with coming too far in. So last night, I should have taken a time lapse of it, but I stayed up till dark 30 in the morning and got a rough framing done with some 1x, and I feel like it gives me a good idea on how to start, so I'm going to start working on the other side. Got the other side put together. Let's see about the test fitting. It looks like it fits in here pretty good. So I finished up all of the paneling, got everything firmly attached to the frame. So all the shelves, the second shelf, a little bit deeper, the air pump shelf. It fits the air pump absolutely perfect, so I don't have to lift the bottom floor up if I need to inflate my tires. I'm going to say the back will still have access to the cargo net and has enough room to comfortably fit a gallon jug. So I should get the driver's side one done today, and then I get to figure out how I'm going to surface this with the carpet and the padding. Probably the cleanest nose then.
Been a while since those got cleaned.
place has been in a long time. Yeah, it looks much nicer with these.
It does.
Just even them just sitting.
And they're going to be in there further.
Yeah. So I left a little bit of a skirt on the bottom. And I feel like that worked pretty well.
Yeah.
So this is probably going to be the easier one. So how's that one looking?
You have to push it down in a bit. Hey, look. The little shelf caught it.
Uh-huh.
How about that?
Yeah. That one's probably not going to grab. Alright, so I could see where it was at, and I lost it. I think that's probably it.
It's in.
I mean, it's at least it's not loose anymore.
Yeah. Is that the last of the...
Yeah, I am done. Oh, hey, screwdriver. Done. But yeah, this is screws.
Nice. You just have to get something to...
I just had to figure out how to... I mean, it's not going to like fall out on its own because it tucks into the...
Yeah.
And then slides over. So it doesn't just...
But that was a completely wasted space.
Yeah.
You couldn't stack anything up there.
Here it is after midnight, the third night that I've been working on this project. And I am all done. And it looks phenomenal. So I've got the shelves all put together and attached to the car. And it gives me an additional space to put other things. I've got some other deeper shelves, some smaller shelves, little cubbies, and a nice enclosed area to have other things like all my water, just random doodads and knickknacks, just all sorts of stuff. And these things are in here as strong as they're going to be, and they look sharp. They don't interfere with the seats. They're right up to the edge. For some reason, the passenger side ended up being ½ inch taller than the driver's side, but it also ended up looking a lot nicer than the driver's side. But it came out okay. So it's gonna make road trips in this really nice. Give me a few extra places to store doodads and whatnots while I'm out and about. So I mostly was able to just pull this project off with just stuff that I had hand. I did go out to Lowe's and I bought some 1x to assemble the framing of all of it, and then a bunch of just random brackets to put it all together. But otherwise, we had all of the random board. We had some extra carpet to put over the top of it. I had a bunch of extra carpet to put on the shelves. So it made it a relatively cheap project, but it was something I'd been wanting for a long time. And I'm glad I finally got it done. Couldn't quite find anything like this on the internet when I was looking before. A lot of people, when they do storage in their trucks, they have all of the stacked, like, slide out storage, which takes away from your headroom. Like, I love being able to sleep in this thing and being able to sit up and move around and do stuff instead of just being able to roll over. I like to be inside the vehicle doing everything. For a lot of the slide out storage, you've got to get outside your vehicle to access anything. So that's no fun if it's gonna be raining or just miserable outside. Hopefully this encourages some other people to make some improvements to their trucks. Thanks for watching.